Hi class, I'd like to talk to you about a couple of things today. The first thing are these SI sessions that Min is running. So you should notice on the announcements, under this announcement, there are study session times listed. Please check these out. They're really helpful. If you're struggling, Min knows exactly what we're doing in class and she can help you. Often she has topics, but you can ask stuff off topic if you have other questions. Just give them a shot. If, on the other hand, you're struggling to the point where you think you're beyond help, like you've done really rough on the quizzes, maybe the homework is really hard for you, you can't attend study sessions for whatever reason, and you're drowning in this class, and we're only 3 weeks in. Right? So some of you are in that boat and it is a tough place to be. But what I'm going to offer you is that there is a course that's starting on February 23rd. It's called Math 055. And that's the precursor to Math 121. So you'll learn all the foundational skills you need to be successful in college algebra, especially if you've been out of doing math for a while. So consider taking that class instead of this class, and then taking 121 again after you finished 055 and have the math fresh in your mind. Okay? Not for everyone. Most of you are doing great, but there's a few of you who I think that could benefit. All right. Well, I hope that you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you.